Understanding combined stop-tail light wiring. When you see cars with a single bulb performing both stop, brake, and tail running light functions, you're looking at a nifty piece of engineering that boils down to power and clever wiring. First, let's break down the bulb itself. These dual-function bulbs have two filaments, one for the tail light and a brighter one for the stop light. The key is the difference in wattage between the two filaments. The tail light typically uses a lower wattage filament that's designed to stay on as a marker of your car's presence. When you hit the brakes, a higher wattage filament kicks in to alert others with a bright light that you're slowing down or stopping. Now, onto the vehicle's wiring system. It's designed to send a smaller voltage to light the tail lights when your headlights or parking lights are turned on. Hit the brakes, and the brake light switch situated near your brake pedal is triggered, sending a higher voltage to the stop light filament of the bulb. So, how does your car know whether it's the stop or tail light that needs to shine? Well, it doesn't know, in a cognitive sense. Instead, it's a straightforward electrical system, where different actions, like turning on your headlights or pressing your brakes, close different circuits. To achieve your goal, what you want to do is split the functions, so one set of lights serves as the tail lights on your trailer, and another set as the stop lights. You'll need a few things: a testing tool to determine which wire carries which signal, some rewiring knowledge, possibly a multifunction trailer tail light converter, which is designed for precisely this task. Always start with your car's wiring diagram to identify the wires that carry the tail and brake signals. Once identified, you can tap into these to feed your trailer's separate tail and brake lights. If you're not experienced with automotive wiring, I highly recommend finding a detailed guide or getting help from someone who knows their way around car electrics. Here's a tip straight from the streets of Portland, where I've tinkered with a fair share of car mods. While testing and rewiring, remember to take it slow. Rushing electrical work can make for some hair-raising experiences. It's a bit of a puzzle, but with a careful approach and some patience, you'll get those lights functioning just right for your trailer. Good luck with your electronics hobby. Separate those lights and hit the road.